Moving to the next question, question number 43. Which of the following reactions can be used for the preparation of alkyl halide? The first reaction is given CH3CH2OH, primary alcohol, reacts with HCl in presence of catalyst which is anhydrous zinc chloride. So this reaction will take place and alkyl halide can be prepared. Second reaction is given CH3CH2OH. This is primary alcohol. Reaction with HCl. The reactivity of primary alcohol is less than secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. So the reaction will not proceed in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride. So this reaction cannot be used for the preparation of alkyl halide. Now third reaction is given. The given compound is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is most reactive alcohol for this nucleophilic substitution reaction. So in this case, reaction will proceed in the absence of catalyst also, and this reaction can be used for the preparation of halide. The fourth one is secondary alcohol plus HCl in presence of catalyst. Yes, this reaction will proceed and secondary alkyl halide will be obtained. Now the given options are fourth only, third and fourth only, 1, 3 and 4 only. So correct answer of this question is third option. 3 is the correct option. Moving to the next question, question number 44. Which is the correct order of increasing energy of the listed orbitals in the atom of titanium? Titanium, it means multi-electron species, and for multi-electron species, energy of orbital depends upon sum of n plus L. So in order to arrange the orbitals in energy, we need to apply the n plus L rule. First rule states that higher the sum of n plus L, higher will be the energy of orbital. And second rule states that if n plus L is same, then higher the value of n, higher will be the energy. 3s, this is 3 plus 0, 3p, 3 plus 1, 3d, 3 plus 2, 4s, 4 plus 0. 3 plus 0, that is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 4. Now lowest value is for 3s orbital, so lowest energy orbital will be 3s. Next 4 and 4, higher the value of n, higher will be the energy. So 3p is having lower energy than 4s orbital. And n plus L sum is maximum for 3d. So maximum energy should be associated with 3d orbital. Now let us find the order in the options given. First is 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s. This is incorrect. Second option is 3s, higher energy 3p, then 4s, then 3d. So second option is the correct answer of the question. This is the correct option. So moving to the last question of today's paper, that is question number 45. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal is finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide with first option cuprous sulfide, second option sulfur dioxide, third option iron sulfide, and fourth option is carbon monoxide. As we have been studied in the metallurgy of copper, cuprous oxide is reduced by its own compound, that is cuprous sulfide. So this is the case of self-reduction, and due to this reduction, product obtained is copper metal and sulfur dioxide gas is evolved. So according to the options given, the first one is the correct answer. So students, this was all about the today's paper. Thanks for being with me. Wish you all a very good luck. Thank you.